My name is Shashank. I am from Kodagu. I am a BC graduated from Vidyashram First Grade College, Mysore. I passed out in the year 2020. I joined Jspiders on Jan 17th, 2022. Jspiders is the best training institute I ever had. I am very much satisfied with the Jspiders training and the material they give. Jspiders is always ready to help us with the doubts and guides us permanently to reach our goals. They also give us assignment and help us to knowing real time scenario and application. I would like to thank Manoj sir and Uday sir for their support. Thank you.